Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make a tutorial about Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 guys, and as you can see over here, I'm already having the game on my PC and I'm gonna share with you guys that how actually I got a copy of the game guys for free. So if you want to learn how to do this, then watch the video until the end guys. I'm going to share with you all the steps I did for myself so you can be able to do it also you on your own. So guys, the first thing you need to do, you need to grab your phone in your hand. It doesn't matter what kind of phone it is. It can be iOS, it can be Android. The steps actually are going to be the same. So how I got the game, I got through a promo code, which I'm going to show you right now when I activated my Steam account. And as you can see over here, guys, the code got activated successfully and gave me a copy of the game for free. So now I'm going to show you how you actually can do this. The next step to do, guys, is to go to internet browser and search about this site called lulucoupons.com. So once you're gonna enter in, you have a lot of other things which you can check later if you're interested for something else. I'm just gonna use the searching bar to find it faster. Okay, here it is, chapter 5. Press your coupon code, and now you just need to wait a couple of seconds for the circle to get complete until the end. Once it's going to be done, it's going to take you to the next page and it's going to show you the code. It's actually locked, so you need to press the button below. The next step is going to require you to complete a little task in order to unlock the code for free, guys. It's very simple to do it. You just need to read the instructions. It says over here, download the complete 2 apps below to unlock Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 code for free. You have a note, do not use VPN or proxy. If you are using any VPN or proxy, you need to turn it off before, guys, so you don't have an interruption or any failure. So down below, you're going to find this list of the apps, which you need to choose 2 apps from the list to complete it as a task. All the apps are for free. As you can see, you don't have to pay anything, and all the apps are coming from official stores, from App Store or Play Store, depends on the phone that you are using. So all you need to do, guys, is to read the instructions and try to find which app is the easiest one, so you don't lose too much time on them. Once you're gonna choose which one you want to do it, you need to press on it, and then it shows again the instruction what you have to do, and press unlock now. It's going to take you to App Store if you're using an iPhone, or Play Store if you're using an Android device. So once you're going to get connected with your official store, the first thing to do, guys, is to download the app, and then after you download the app, you need to complete the tasks required as per description. When you finish with the first one, you go back, do the second app, and then you're gonna be able to unlock the code, and I'm gonna show you how you actually can do that. I'll just need to complete the apps real quick, and then I'll come back to you to show how to unlock the code. So here we are, guys. I just completed both of the apps. I did these 2 over here, and now how to unlock the code, you have to go back one more time to the site. So you come back one more time over here, and then down below you're gonna find this button to take you back. For iPhones is here, for Android you should have it here, the button to take you back. You press it, and then as you can see, the code get unlocked. If you try to get back immediately without completing any task, the code it will show locked again, or if you didn't complete the task correctly as per description, the code it will show locked again. So you need to pay a little bit of attention to description so you don't make any mistake, guys. So this code is unused one. It's going to be a gift from my first viewer. For the rest of you, you just need to complete the steps that I showed to you. You're gonna be able to do it as well. So this is it, guys, in short words. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe this channel. You're gonna be able to get the latest updates. See you in the next videos, guys. Cheers.